Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kanita, and if you are new, welcome. But y'all already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know every time your girl posts. So y'all, we jumping straight into this video. The name of this hair that I will be doing today is from a company. The name will be in the description box because, okay, I will attempt. Metally Pro T. That's as close as it's gonna get. Y'all, the name will be in the description box. Y'all, this skunk color is so pretty. It's so pretty. The hair was soft. I was just like blown away with the 26-inch and for it to be soft. But keep in mind, you guys, this is a synthetic wig. The price is very affordable, $22.49, y'all. And they also have other options if you want to go check that out. It's in the description. So as you guys can see, I'm showing the combs. It had adjustable straps, but I was mad it didn't have a comb. Y'all know I like the comb in the back. But beyond that, that's the only down part that I didn't like. But you ladies, keep in mind, this is a synthetic wig. So we're going to get straight into the install, but I did want to include my giveaway, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all go check that out on Instagram. Stay tuned. I'm back, ladies. So there was not a lot to do in this install, as you guys can see in the beginning, how I showed you, ladies, but always tell everybody, I don't care if you get a synthetic wig or a human hair wig, you always pluck it enough to where it looks natural. You don't want that puffy, bulky look. So you want that natural look. So that's why I always include plucking. You can either use concealer or Ruby Kisses to put in your part. I do both. It just depends on how I'm feeling at that moment. So I did end up using my Ruby Kisses. Y'all, this was a beautiful unit, and I think it's good for the price for that 1 or 2 days that you want to go out and have fun. Y'all know synthetic wigs do not last forever, so let's always keep that in mind. Y'all, this was a quick and easy install, something quick if you're out of town, if you're just going out with your friends for the night. This is for you. This is the thing that you would want to do. And if you have an event to attend or something like this, this is the look for you. It's super easy to install, y'all. The colors came out. You want that little pop of color. This is it, and they call it the skunk. Okay, so that's what it did, and I enjoyed it. I didn't wear the unit very long, but I did wear it long enough to know that there were not a lot of tangles within those couple of days. I didn't have a lot of shedding. You know you're gonna get shedding whether it's human or synthetic. I did end up cutting the little tops just for the layer, and y'all know. Y'all stay tuned for the TikTok video and to the next hair review, ladies.
Puff, puff, pass. No, you do not want to smoke. Bitches be sleeping on me, but be claiming they woke. Fuck up a check on my body, then let them lick on my body out in Abu Dhabi. You see me shining, you pissed. I think my hate is